Message is for one of the greatest fake pastor in Nigeria.
Hello guys, so now welcome back again to this YouTube channel. Now I don't already know as they go for you, as they hot with immediate electricity. Now understand, they can't drop on phone now sharp. No be small basketball. So my people, now know say I always they tell you, I say nothing when more no go see for Lekki Tokyo. Now know as they go. I believe so many of you know this guy one they see for my screen. So when they call Igbo love themselves. My people, wahala dey saga no go ever finish for this social media side. I come across this video. Una know say few days back, senior prophet Jeremiah come out, come rescue one of our popular Nollywood actor when they call Claire Ohaneze. My people, una know say that man say he know they sound, you understand? He can't come and say make all the old Nigerians pray for and say not be money in it, but make everybody just pray for and say he want go do surgery, you understand? He needs successful one, not the one when this go reach them and they go the year another and he will go get RIP. So senior prophet Jeremiah can invite this popular Nollywood actor, he can invite and can gift him 8 million naira after I don't pray for him. You understand? Of which everybody say, man, the man did well, not be all pastors go fit do that thing when that man do. You understand? So my question is that I not see waiting prophet Jeremiah do wrong when he take pray for this our popular Nollywood actor. Gift am 8 million naira. So this guy, so one they see from my screen, so he can come out when they call Igbo love themselves. Una know say this guy get foundation, you understand? Of which waiting they do, everybody like her, including me. I like waiting they do. Even at sometimes they share videos, you understand, for Facebook. But I'm surprised now this guy just come out, they bounced on senior prophet Jeremiah. Somebody when he old enough to be your father, you just come out, come they insult him. It don't make sense. I come across this video. Well, my people, I go first play this video for now. When this Igbo love themselves, when they talk to senior prophet Jeremiah anyhow, I will play this very one. After we come back for this break, I will see you now for the ending of this video.
Message is for one of the greatest fake pastor in Nigeria called Jeremiah Omoto-Ofofoye. Is one of the greatest fake pastor with a strong heart in the whole West Africa, in the whole Black Africa. So this message is for him. And I want to use this opportunity to tell him, to warn him.
So guys, I also now watch the short video anyway. When I say this guy, he not try at all. Bros, you fuck up for this thing when you do. You be youth like me, you understand? You and this prophet Jeremiah, for age mate, will not be mate. He even is old enough to be your father, you understand? For anything for this earth, una not be mate. For anything, just name am, una not be mate. One thing we una fail to understand is that this life, who don't pass you, don't pass you. You understand? No matter anything you be, who don't pass you, don't pass you. To start with, this man, una not be more just forget money, popularity, fame. For age, this man is old enough to be your father. Me and you know, not be waiting. I not come here, come mock you. I not come here, come insult you. I not come here, come talk to you anyhow. I just they talk to you as a brother in case you come across this video. You understand? And not come feel say maybe I carry your matter, I come here, come they talk to you. You be guy like me. You understand? You not get with you fit tell me now say man, you take past this great man of God. You understand? Okay, as this man, waiting government, Nigeria government fail to they do. Now this man they do. Nollywood actor go cry come, he go rescue him. Musician go cry come, he go rescue him. Orphanage, widows, this man, he just stay there gidigba, he just they rescue people. Wait till you can't see wrong now. Instead, when you go praise him for this your video, say you never see man of God for Nigeria when be like this man. Me and you know say this thing when you come and come do now, few men of God will tolerate him for Nigeria. The way you take come and come bounce on this man, the way you take come and come insult this innocent man. E not reach 2 men of God for Nigeria when go fit tolerate this thing. Number 1 man of God when go suppose tolerate this kind of thing. Me and you know the man, late prophet TB Joshua. If you like, you go shit for that man car. You go shit for your office. You see and sit down for your office. You say, oh God, get up. I want shit for this your chair. That man not go through waste pit. I not go answer you. You understand? But not be everybody they feel they tolerate all those kind of things. You understand? My advice to you as a brother, as a friend, as a youth, just find any means. If not for you to go that church, this man church, just go kneel down, apologize to this man. You understand? Because if now somebody push you or advise you to do this kind of video for you to take insult this kind of great man of God, man, that person is now your enemy. You understand? Because the way this matter they help, more just leave that one. Well, I go play this other short video for now. When this our popular Nollywood actor, when they say called Clem Ohaneze, where senior prophet Jeremiah for gift am the 8 million naira. I go play this video for now. Where we go watch them together. I go see you now for the ending of this video.
Prophet Jeremiah gives another Nollywood actor 8 million naira.
So Jeremiah Omoto Foundation, we are surely behind in prayers. This is the word of God. We are hereby support your journey for this operation with sum of 8 million naira.
So guys, I also now watch the video. Now watch the video now. Not be fake. Not be one, not be two, not be three. Now so this matter they help. You understand? I dey expect make this guy Igbo love themselves to come out, come praise senior prophet Jeremiah. Say, we never see this kind of great man of God once for Nigeria. You dey try. You know those kind of things now. You just come out, sorry guys, begin to insult this innocent man. If this man were to be your own father, how will you feel? If he were to be your own dad, your own biological father, of which he is old enough to be your father. Sometimes I make una the man una business. You understand? Because this social media of a thing, and one thing one and only just be like this video when I dey do now. Anything when make me don't post on air now. Once one or two person don't share on, it don't finish. That is social media and the power of social media. For you make una the man waiting una the talk format. Make una the man video when una go. I not just really know guys. So I go play this other video when senior prophet Jeremiah come out now come talk in your part. Say in the wait for this Igbo love themselves. Say he not see anything when he do this guy. When this guy take on, well, I go just leave now with this very video. I go see you now for the ending of this video.
Matthias, I don't know. I don't know where he was called and I don't know where. This man, after giving this money, this huge amount of money, he writes in the actor, the man came out and began to criticize Jeremiah. He said Jeremiah's miracles are fake. He said Jeremiah is now faking people. He said Jeremiah is deceiving people. And when I look at it and I begin to say, hey, wait, the Lord told me that I have given you anointed. These demons will come. When I look at Matthias, poor man, why you want to pour forever? Matthias, he want to pour forever. Pour forever, Matthias. From Inugu. You know the fear. You know the fear. Matthias, wherever you are, come out and challenge me. Come out and challenge me. Come out and challenge. Let me see you. Whether you're in Nigeria, let us see. We shall see. Police everywhere. Police caught there. You will bring your defense. You will bring your defense. Come with your defense. Police everywhere. CID everywhere. Don't forget that Nigerian police are not dead. I'm telling you, whether you are in this, Interpol is everywhere. We are going to not look for you. Send police to look for you so that you come and defend you person that you are insulting. Whether I'm your mate, you insult. Because I am a man of peace and I'm a man of war. If you don't, if you want to insult me, come outside and insult me. Don't hide. We know that. If you are a man, come outside, Papa. So whatever thing I am doing here, let you come and see miracles that God has done.
Oh yes, fresh and raw. No why you? Practical. Practical.
Is the what?
The home of
he said it though. He said Jeremiah every week the thing they pepper him. How many poor people in Nigeria? Only Matthias are poor in Nigeria. No problem. We shall see. Can I say something?
Go ahead,
Papa. Interpret.
So guys, I also now watch the full video. Una see I say this man now, senior prophet Jeremiah Omoto Fufunyi. This man now don't provoke. Now this one I first tell you now, just now the man don't provoke. He said this guy when they call Igbo love themselves, he go come out, come defend himself. Where he for see him, they do fake miracle. Because according to this guy, this Igbo love themselves, he said senior prophet Jeremiah Omoto Fufunyi. He said all the old miracle. He said since for the whole of West Africa country, he said now prophet Jeremiah now be as in a fake pass for all the pastors. The kind strong word when this guy they use them with boldness. I say what? I don't understand. Somebody when you and another meet before, you don't know this man before, you're surprised now, you never ever go to church before, you know that when this man they pray for people, you know that when they do a miracle, you just come and you're God. My fellow youth, I beg make una dey careful with wetin una dey utter the command for this man, because this man they kill, they save. Make una dey think twice before una do video, before una talk to, una send message to the world. You understand? Because for me now, wetin this guy do not right. As I first tell you just now, I advise you just go this man church, because this man since they take born me, since when I take grow up, come know this man, I never concern anybody before. For the full Nigeria, in fact, for the whole world, nobody when they no world, as in no country when they for not recognize this man. You understand? Not they concern anybody. The business when they pay and waiting, they enjoy to they heal people, to they give people money. Now that one concern them. Just go this man church, just go lie down for ground, go ask for, as in just go ask for forgiveness. You understand? This thing when you do, it's not right. So guys, in case today now the first time when you did post the pass this YouTube channel, my name remain Uromi Pikin. But make you help me share this video, subscribe to get more updates. Make sure you drop your comment for the comment section, because through your comment now we go to know what will be your opinion regarding this very video. So guys, I will see you now for the next update coming up soon. Respect, one love.